13th chapter, The World Between Wars 1900 to 1950, part 1. The lesson is the beginning of the 20th century. Present now, 21st century. Discuss 20th century, beginning of the 20th century means first half of the 20th century, the world, so many factors, so many causes influenced in world, on world. Especially so many factors mean, so many causes mean important factors. So the First World War. First World War 1914 to 1918 time. Next, Second World War. Second World War 1939 to 1945. Only the 50 years time. During the 50 years time, the world occurred two world wars. First World War and Second World War. First World War 1914 to 1918. Second World War 1939 to 1945. Only short time after First World War, short time again Second World War also occurred in the world. Especially here so many factors. First important factors, important causes, First War, Second World War. Another so many several causes there. 1929, the Great Depression also faced in the Great Depression. And fascist ideas, fascism. Fascism means the unquestioned manner. Fascism started in Italy and Germany. Fascism and Nazism ideas also impact on society, impact on world. Great Depression, science, technology, so many factors, especially socialism, socialist revolution also in Russia. Democracy, the first half of the 20th century, democracy is the main important principle theory influenced the countries. Democracy major principles, basic principles, liberty, equality and fraternity. Science, technology, so many isms, especially Nazism, fascism, the Great Depression, First World War, Second World War, etc. So many causes, factors, influence in first half of the 20th century. The age is called, first half of the 20th century, the age is called the age of extremes. For the called age of extremes, the age of extremes called by the historian. Historian means for the study of history, the great important historian Eric Hobsbawm. Eric Hobsbawm said the 20th century is called the age of extreme. Age of extreme means so many factors, causes, influence in 20th century, especially first half of the 20th century. Okay. Next to introduction, the World War between 1900 to 1950, part 1. Okay, na? Next to some revise. Again, once resume. The age of extreme means the great historian Eric Hobsbawm said the age of extreme. So many factors influenced only 50 years time. Okay, beginning of the 20th century, the world population 1.6 billion people. 1.6 billion people only. Okay, science, technology, industrial revolution, so many impacts on the society. Next, First World War and Second World War causes discussed there. One of the world wars, ominous facts. Ominous facts. The world wars. World War causes generally immediate causes there, I mean triggered causes and long-term causes. Discuss World War ominous facts. The world divide two groups there. World divide two groups. West countries and rest countries. West countries. West and rest countries. West countries like Britain, France, Germany, USA, Japan, the western countries. West countries. The countries is well developed countries. I mean industrial growth, economical growth, scientific growth and etc. Financially well developed countries, West countries. And rest countries. Rest countries mean the colonial countries. The rest countries mean example Asia and African countries. Okay, West countries example Asia and African countries. The countries I mean some freedom movements. Beginning of the freedom movements also first half of the 20th century. West countries completely influenced on the rest countries. Rest countries economy, rest countries resources also exploited by West countries. The West countries established in West countries, I mean colonies established in West countries. The world divided West countries and rest countries. Rest countries mean just like colonial countries. Example Asian countries and African countries. The countries briefly, I mean start the beginning of the some nationalist movements, I mean freedom movements beginning in the first half of the 20th century. Ominous facts mean the world, West countries and rest countries divide there. Especially, I mean here, West countries made influence on the world, I mean dominance authority, established authority in the world. Some West countries also authority mean dominance power, superiority power established in other countries. The West countries also divided two groups. The West countries also divided two groups. I mean number one Germany. Germany, Austria and Hungary. Germany, Austria and Hungary one side of the group. West countries group divide two groups there. One of the group name Germany, Austria, Hungary. The group name is called Axis group. Axis group. The group is completely dominates the world, dominates in West countries. I mean economical exploit. And another group, Britain, France, Russia. Beginning of the 20th century, before First World War, the West countries divide two groups, Germany, Austria, Hungary. One of the group, another group, Britain, France, and Russia. The two groups divided in West countries. The two groups influence in the world. The two groups competitive among the countries. The two groups the competition process. One of the group Axis group. Axis group led by Germany, Allies group led by Britain. Allies group led by Britain. The two groups in the First World War. First World War also first important some so many causes there. World War causes, number of causes there. Obvious facts. So first the world divided, especially West countries divided two groups there. The First World War also between two groups there. Okay. Next Second World War. Second World War also two groups divided. Number one Axis and number two Allies groups. Axis group main countries Germany, Japan, and Italy, main countries. Axis group. Allies group main countries Britain, France, USA, etc. The world divided two groups. Germany, Japan, Italy during the Second World War, Axis group, and Allies group Britain, France, and USA. The two groups in the world, especially Axis group led by Germany, Allies group led by Britain. The First World War and Second World War causes also same clause there. Main important trigger clause. Trigger means immediate causes. Important immediate causes there. The causes also immediate causes and long-term causes. Immediate cause. First World War immediate cause. The Austria Prince Archduke Ferdinand visited in Serbia. Austria Prince Archduke Ferdinand visited in Serbia. At time Serbian fanatic murdered Austrian Prince. Austrian Prince Ferdinand murdered by Serbian fanatic. After Austria declared war on Serbia. The First World War trigger causes, immediate causes, murder. Austria Prince Ferdinand murdered by Serbian fanatic. The first immediate cause. 1914 July 28, the First World War started in world. Automatically, the groups also divided two groups there. The groups one in the march, especially the Axis group and the Allies group, the most important group. The world divided two groups there during the First World War and the Second World. Immediate cause, First World immediate cause. Second World War immediate cause, the Hitler policies. Hitler policies, unquestioned policies, dictator policies, Nazism means the unquestioned power, aggressive nationalism. Aggressive nationalism followed by Hitler. Aggressive nationalism means the pride of self-nation, own nation, and the same against hatred the other nations, other races. The theory followed by the Hitler. Hitler idea, Hitler goal, the authority, the dominance, the superior power established in the world. German is the superpower country. The ideology followed by Hitler. Hitler attacked Poland. Poland 1939 September 1st. Second World War started 1939 September 1st. Hitler policies. Main immediate cause, Hitler policies main immediate causes of the Second World War. First World War immediate causes Austria Prince Ferdinand murdered by Serbian fanatic. Okay, important things, the world between war. 1900 to 1950, the part 1. So many death in destruction, so many losses, First World War and Second World War. Some death and destruction, some effects. Effects mean losses. First World War, Second World War, death and destruction. First World War, approximately 10 to 20 million people died in First World War. 10 to 20 million people. Second World War, 40 to 55 million people died in the Second World War time. Especially the Second World War time, America used the nuclear weapons, I mean atom bombs. Atom bombs dropped on Japan. 1945, August 6th, first atom bomb dropped in Japan, Hiroshima city. 1945, August 6th. After 2 days after, August 9th, Nagasaki city. 2 atom bombs dropped on the Japan. Japan influence affect the 2 cities, Nagasaki and Hiroshima. 2 cities. The First World War losses, then after Second World War, heavy loss. Heavy loss means human loss and properties. Especially Poland country capital Warsaw is completely 90% city is completely destroyed in Second World War. Second World War, First World War, main important thing, the world, especially here, loss of crores people, human loss, property loss. The age, I mean, the historian Eric Hobsbawm, the age is extreme, the age of extreme 20th century. Okay, here First World War, Second World War, long term, I mean causes there, immediate causes, 2 causes there. First War immediate cause of Ferdinand murder, Second War immediate causes Hitler policies. Okay, First War, Second World War, general causes, common causes, some causes there. Discuss one by one causes. Okay, first thing is aggressive nationalism. Aggressive nationalism followed by fascist or Nazis. Aggressive nationalism means the pride oneself of nation and other nations, I mean hatred against other nations and other races. The theory, the ism followed by Hitler and Benito Mussolini. Italy dictator Benito Mussolini and Germany dictator Hitler followed the aggressive nationalism. Aggressive nationalism is the main important, one of the important cause or important factor of the First World War and Second World War also. Aggressive nationalism means the dominance of the nation, dominance of the nations. Hitler authority, Hitler theory, the unquestioned power, unquestioned manner. Unquestioned manner means the Hitler theory, unquestioned manner, and dominance other nations, other countries, other races also. Authority on the other nations, other countries. I mean, the world is completely controlled by Hitler, controlled by Germans, German Aryan. Hitler race, German Aryan. The aggressive nationalism, it is the important of the First World War and the Second World War cause. I mean, after the here, aggressive nationalism is the influence on the society, influence on the world. So many countries, especially West countries, European countries, divided two groups. West countries, the aggressive nationalism, one of the important, followed by the West countries, especially Hitler and Benito Mussolini. Aggressive nationalism. Next to imperialism. Imperialism means the theory followed by Europeans, especially developed countries. Industrial revolution occurring in Europe. The industrial revolution countries established markets in the world. Markets and the economy. The imperialism ideology also followed in Europe. European countries, developed countries followed the imperialism. Imperialism also one of the cause, one of the factor of the First World War and Second World War. The West countries, European countries influence in other countries. I mean economical exploitations, resources also dumping colonies. After the resources also exploited by the European countries. At the same time, first purpose, economical purpose started in European countries. After the European countries, political power also established in colonies. So many colonies established by European countries. Suppose our India also British colony, our Asian countries, and African countries. Africa, Asia is completely colonies, European colonies. Okay, imperialism is a competition among the European countries, developed countries. The countries competition one by one countries established other Asian and African countries. It is the one of the important factor cause imperialism. Imperialism is the factor of the First World War and Second World War. Next to militarism. Militarism also followed by the Europeans. I mean, strengthen of the army, recruit the soldiers, introduce the new weapons, introduce the recruit the large soldiers, recruit them, manufacturing of the deadly weapons, chemical weapons. The military strength increasing. The military strength increasing by European countries. Especially here two group countries there, Axis group and Allies group. The two groups lying between the influence on the world. Power established in the your world militarism. Militarism is a competition of the among the European countries, developed countries. Militarism mean increase the weapons, increasing the soldiers, recruit the soldiers. So many strengthen arms, other arms, chemical arms, weapons. Present now, nuclear weapons also have not developed countries. Okay, militarism one of the important cause or factor of First World War and Second World War. Next, secret alliance. Secret alliance is followed by Bismarck. Otto von Bismarck is the German chancellor. 1871, some wars also occurred in Europe. The Otto von Bismarck policy, blood and iron policy. The Otto von Bismarck first in the world, in the Europe, secret alliance followed by Otto von Bismarck. Bismarck unification of the Germany. Purpose for the unification of Germany, Bismarck is a number of wars in other countries. Suppose the war with Denmark, the war with Austria, the war with France. The wars also first followed, followed the secret alliance. Secret alliance is the one of the important causes of the First World War and Second World War. The countries also interested. The countries also interested and development process also in the secret alliances. Secret alliances mean it is not open alliances. It is the secret. Secret means the own purpose of the own benefit of the country. This is one of the important cause of the First World War. The common causes, long-term causes, secret alliance, militarism, imperialism, aggressive nationalism, and etc. The First World War, Second World War in the country. After First World War, Second World War, 1918 completed. After 1919, the Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles is between two groups, agreement between two groups, Allied group and Axis group. Axis group defeated, Allied group won. Allied group victorious group. The Treaty of Versailles is an important peace treaty after First World War. After First World War, one of the organization, International Peace Organization, established in 1920. 1920, peace organization, international organization, established by American president, ex-American president Woodrow Wilson. Woodrow Wilson, the founder of the League of Nations. League of Nations main role, main motto, the world peace. Maintain the world peace among the countries. Peaceful coexistence. After Second World War also completed 1945. Second World War, completion of Second World War, the defeated country, the Axis country led by Germany and Allies country led by Britain. The two groups agreement in after Second World War. 1945 after the one of the international organization, peace organization, the organization name UNO. UNO means United Nations Organization. United Nations Organization established in 1945 October. The 1945 UNO main motto, main role, the world peace. The world peace, maintain the world peace in the world, among the nations, world peace, and so many policies, so many things follow the present UNO members 190. Our India also UNO member country. Beginning of the UNO 1945, or also joined the UNO of India before the independence. Okay, UNO present active the UNO, so many principles, so many policies introduced by the UNO. Next, UNO organs and other policies discussed. Okay, the world between wars, some important causes, the age of extreme discussed. Okay.